Good morning, my friends. This is the Covert Crow and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special treat. We're going to cover off the operation and functionality of a vintage timepiece. That's right, buying vintage. Today's special watch or timepiece is going to be the Omega Speedmaster Professional 145022-76. That's right, it's crawling on up close to 50 years of age. So we're going to cover off the basic setting of the watch and using the caliber 861 movement, as well as the chronograph complication. The Omega Speedmaster Professional Vintage Edition with this particular model runs on that caliber 861 movement. It is a non-hacking movement. That being said, you can have a lot of fun with it. One of the best times I have is every morning when I wind this thing and engage in the watch every day. It's spectacular. We will cover off how to use this chronograph and the functionality of its subdials. As a wow moment, we have on the Seiko G757-4010. It is one of the variations of the watch worn by 007 Roger Moore in Octopussy. But here it is, vintage Omega Speedmaster Professional. What are we waiting for? Let's get the white gloves on and get a bird's eye view. Okay, my friends, the Omega Speedmaster Professional. What a treat. Caliber 861, the non-hacking movement. Here we go. Let's give her a set. So let's just say you pull her out of the safe, you pull her out of the watch box, and you're looking to get this iconic timepiece on the wrist. Basically, we just pull out that crown, set the time, push it back in, and you're locked and loaded. Now it is a non-hacking movement, so you'll see the subdial, the sub-seconds here on the far left at 9 o'clock position will continue running once you have the wind. But when you do that original set, you're going to want to wind the watch in a clockwise direction. And once she gets all locked in and fully wound, you'll have about approximately a 40-hour power reserve, so she'll run no problems. Now also, when we look at the chronograph complication, you will see this stainless steel beauty has the round pushers at the top and bottom position on either side of the crown. We are looking at the top pusher, which controls the start and the stop, and we are looking at the bottom pusher, which controls the reset. So I'll show you that functionality here. Boom, away we go. Seconds hand sweeping around the dial as it crosses over 5 seconds, approaching 10 seconds. We'll want to stop. Bam, on, boom. Stops at 10 seconds. We want to reset that. We push the bottom pusher in and it does a quick set and brings it right back to the 12 o'clock position, just like that. You'll notice in the subdials for the timepiece, at the 3 o'clock position we have the minutes, which runs to 30, and then at the 6 o'clock position we have the hours. So you're able to monitor the time with the chronograph up to 12 hours. Drop me a comment, drop me a question, do whatever you can in the comment section, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. But I've had no concerns, no problems, no issues with this timepiece. Now I've got it on the wrist. It goes with everything. As you can see, I'm in t-shirts and shorts. Now, danger, danger, water behind me, careful. Remember, water resistance of 50 meters only. You fall in there, you don't want to jeopardize the seals, right? And that's the problem with a vintage piece. You want to look after. So, responsible buyers only. And let's not forget, how cool is it to be wearing a piece that we know was worn on the moon? Thanks to Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. What? It doesn't get any cooler than that. So that's my vintage Omega Speedmaster Professional. Talk to me, Goose. Drop a comment down below. Hope you like that reference for Top Gun. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because there's always more content coming. This is the Covert Crow, and my time is up. I'm out.